This is gonna be a quick video. I'm completely shaken. So I'm at a, as you guys might have seen in a video before last, I'm at an outpatient program at a psychiatric hospital, just going in there for group therapy, nothing serious or anything, but there's a, sorry, I'm like, I just got done having a panic attack. There's a therapy dog here, little Pomeranian, and from day one, I heard him and growling and shit, and I was like, that dog doesn't sound very nice. And somebody told me, oh yeah, the handler says that he doesn't like other dogs, and I'm like, why the hell is it here? Why is a dog aggressive therapy dog here? So we'll walk, and I hear it growl and bark, and I told somebody, I actually told multiple people, I said, if that dog ever comes anywhere near my service dog, I'm gonna kick it. So, oh my god. We walk in for the morning stuff. I was doing some meditation, and here's Suki. The door was open, and it was off leash, and the dog ran out, snarling, barking, and trying to bite Suki. So I kicked it. I kicked it 3 times. The little bitch hit the wall. Multiple times it kept coming. Suki's fine. She just stood there. She didn't bark. She didn't even bark. She didn't make a noise. But, little bitch bit my foot. I don't know if you can see. It's just a bruise. It's not that bad, but, yeah. When finally the handler came out and grabbed her fucking dog, and Suki again just stood there and was totally fine. She didn't make a peep. She didn't even move. She didn't even realize what was happening. But I went and talked to the manager, and I was like, I don't want to ever see this dog here again while I'm here. I said, you need to screen your dogs for dog aggression and make sure that they're actually therapy dogs, because clearly this is not an actual therapy dog. But, yeah, that's what happened today. Suki, one more shot of the baby. She's fine. But, yeah. So, yeah, that's what happened today. Obviously no footage of that, but, I'll see you guys later.